Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet the lovely earphone bag. You can hang it on the bag or trousers. First, let's crochet 2 pieces granny squares. Make a magic ring first, 3 unfinished half double crochet, then 2 chains. Repeat 8 times. Tighten the magic ring. Now the second round. Slip to the first stitch, close the first round. Chain 3 first. Find the first chain of the first round. Hook goes from only the front loop. 3 unfinished half double crochet stitches, 2 chains. Repeat 3 times in the same loop. Now we get the first petal. Next one, short crochet. Be sure to find the right side. It's the second space of the first round. 2 chains, then go to the chain at the top of next space. Hook goes through only the front loop. Same as the first petal, 3 unfinished double crochet stitches and 2 chains, repeat 3 times. In the same way, we finish the rest of the second round. At last, on double crochet. Now the third round. Short crochet stitches in every space. 3 chains between 2 short crochet stitches. 4 chains at 4 corners. Now the fourth round. Slip to the first chain, 2 chains and 1 double crochet, next 1 chain. Go to next chain, it's the corner, 3 double crochet stitches and 2 chains and another 3 double crochet stitches. One chain goes to next chain, 2 double crochet stitches. And crochet in the same way in the next 3 chains. Now the second corner, same as the first corner. 3 double crochets and 2 chains and 3 double crochets. Finish the rest in this principle. Pull the tail through the first stitch, and next through the circle of the last stitch. Now we get the first granny square. Crochet another piece in the same way. Unfinished, there's another video how to work out the earphone bag. Thanks for your accompanying. See you soon!